All right. Well, it's now. What time is it? It's 5:40 p.m. Going to the store. Let's go. Very wet looking out here. Check it out. Lots of water. At least I got my yard mowed before it rained. That's good. Everything looks green. My battery's dying already. I've learned that this battery does not last very long for whatever reason. I mean, I had it charged since last night, but you'd think they'd last longer than that. Alright, we're going to be driving to the store. This camera does film a little better in the dark. Let's go. Now that I got this camera, it's a lot easier to use. A lot easier to handle. I wonder if I got mail. Let's check. Nothing much. Let's go. Ooh, roll the window up. Cold. Turn my wipers on too. Friday evening, 9 o'clock. My glasses are falling off. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock already. I did do 2 God of War videos. Although I got kind of confused as to whether I was doing 1 or 2. I know for sure 1 got deleted. I went and did my blood today. Oh, I redid the vlog entitled Hot Dogs and Cheese Dip. Which, if you haven't seen it, hit the subscribe button and go back and view it. Anyway, guess what I do in it? I make hot dogs and cheese dip. The baseball playoffs are on. I've been watching them. It's on TV right now. Look. Look at here. I've got it paused. It's the Dodgers and Brewers. They're playing. It started out as, I guess this is mainly for Drew, who likes to follow this now and then. You know, you have the American League and the National League. You have the American League East, Central, and West, and the National League East, Central, and West. You take the champions of each one of those divisions, they make it to the playoffs. But that's only 3 teams. 3 teams. Three teams. You need 4 for the playoffs. So what they do is they take the next 2 teams who have the best record, and they play each other in a 1-game playoff called the wild card playoff game. In the wild card in the American League, it was the Yankees and the A's. The Yankees beat the A's, so they were in. So it's the Red Sox play the Yankees, and the A's, no. The Astros played the Indians. And they've already played the first round of the playoffs. And what happened is the lighting, what's the lighting like if I do this? Terrible. How about over here? Terrible. I really need a tripod, don't I? Astros beat the Indians. The Red Sox crushed the Yankees. The Red Sox had the best, they were the best team this year, by far. They had the best record of any team in baseball. forget how many games they won. 107, 108, 109, something like that. So it's down to the Red Sox and the Astros. The Astros won the World Series last year. Okay? So a lot of people are picking them, but the Red Sox had the best record this year. So I don't know. That's going to be tough. Over in the National League, the East was Atlanta. Central was... They had a tie in the National League Central and the West. This gets a little complicated. So in the Central, the Brewers, the Cubs, had a playoff because they tied in the division. The Brewers won. In the West, it was the Dodgers and the Rockies had a tie for first place, and the Dodgers won. So what that did, the Rockies and the Cubs, it knocked them both down into the wild card game. You got it? So it's the Braves in the East, the Brewers in the Central, the Dodgers in the West. And then the wild card game is the Rockies and the Cubs. Who do you think won? Who do you think won? Did you see already? Rockies and Cubs? The Rockies. The Rockies won. I figured the Cubs would, but the Rockies did. So, so the Rockies played, let's see. The Rockies played the Brewers, and the Dodgers played the Braves. Dodgers beat the Braves. Brewers beat the Rockies. So it's the Dodgers and the Brewers in the National League. And it's the Red Sox and the Astros in the American League. That's, like I said, that's going to be a tough series. I don't know who's going to win there. But the winner of each of those two games goes to the World Series. So right now, the Dodgers are playing the Brewers. It's 1-0 in the second inning. Actually, it's past that. I'm watching it recorded. So to me, it's the second inning. It's about almost 11 o'clock p.m. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm getting hungry. So I'm going to make dinner. Here's what we're going to have. See that? Right there? I'm going to make chicken Alfredo, but I'm not going to put chicken in it. Right here. That's right, smoked sausage. And chicken Alfredo? What are you, crazy? What? What are you talking about? Okay, I know, it sounds crazy. I'm gonna do it anyway. I've done it before. It tastes good. So, let's get it cooking. Hey, I'm back and I'm on webcam with Drew. He just got on here. Look at my screen. I know you can't see that, but Drew, when you watch this video, you'll see it. It says one person. So I thought it would be neat to put this in the video, since Drew is, well, he's not watching me right now, but he's watching this while he's on this. That's going to be weird. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for me for this vlog today. This vlog actually went over the span of a couple of days because, well, it just did. So, it's 11 p.m. Anyway, I got to have Drew follow me today on webcam and on also streaming God of War and a football game. Anyway, I had him on PlayStation and webcam today. That's my point. So, but anyway, I appreciate you guys for following me and watching my channels. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button below. Hit the thumbs up if you like my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah.